Hello everyone. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself Pawan Samarth from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I was completed my graduation in electronics engineering in 2020 and 89% from Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I work as a desktop support engineer on a payroll innovative digital services, and client name is Fiorano Software Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore location. The business profile of my company is software design and development, I have nearly 1 year of experience. As a desktop support engineer, I handle and support Windows error, MS Outlook issues, network related issues, new user profile creation, domain joining, troubleshooting, and printer configuration, etc. We have a 5-member includes in our team 2 desktop support engineer, 1 service desk, 1 manager, and 1 admin. Approx 15 to 20 tickets I face on a daily basis. We approx 150 systems or users supported on our team. We used semantic endpoint protection antivirus version 14. We also used a license operating system like Windows 10 Pro and Windows Server 2016. We used a version of MS Office is the 2013 and 2016, and same version we used in MS Outlook in our company. The domain name of in our company is www.fiorano.com. As my contract with our company is very soon, I am looking for a new opportunity and career growth. I have already given resignation. The notice period will be released in next 7 days, so I can join immediately. I am suitable. My strength is honesty and polite, and weaknesses is hesitation and on stage fear on sometime. I like playing and watching cricket, reading newspaper, and morning yoga. I am suitable for this position on which open in your organization. I am sincere and hardworking professional. That's it from my side. Thank you.